iPhone series have serious problems like random crashes and reboot or restart on every 3 minutes. The freaking problem. Today in this video, I will teach you how you can fix that problem with the right way. On which condition such problem appears, mostly fall on water damaged iPhone that I saw such issues. On that cases all working fine. Like you can call, camera works fine, you can play music, but the only problem is that restart on 3 minutes. I saw various videos on web page for that solution. The web page claimed that is iOS issues. Force restart can solve that issues, but that is not ultimate solution. First understand the problem. I solved so many issues on that cases, but that one is different on from others. If the iPhone random restart, then this iOS system capture the panic log data on setting. Privacy, scroll down and tap on analytics and improvements. Analytics data, scroll down and search panic log. Panic string, panic CPU, user space, watchdog timeout, no successful checking. From com.apple.thermal monitors scenes load and service return not alive with context is alive function written on healthy. SD, one missing sensor, mic 1 and service. These all indicates that is the problem of charging flex. I remove all flex like power switch flex, wireless charging flex, air spare flex and replace copy charging flex and check. I remove all flex like power switch flex, wireless charging flex, air spare flex and replace copy charging flex and check, but the problem was still same. Then I remove charging flex and check, but the iPhone reboot in about 3 minutes. The strange issue that without connecting all flex the problem is still same. After seeing all these, that sounds like hardware issues on iPhone. Then I saw flash capture panic log data was same as previous. Then I decided to replace original flex and check the problem was solved or not. The damage of I2C line or shorting on I2C line creates such issues. If you use copy charging flex, the problem was still same. Remove charging flex and check, problem is still same. After replace original charging flex and try. But after replace original charging flex and try, the problem was solved. Such issues cannot solve by removing charging flex. You have to put the original flex and check. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.